Glentie Farms, we run 290 hectares, we're all dairy, and we've just purchased a Hustler Combi CM. It's very versatile, real low maintenance, it's just really easy to use. So when I purchased the Hustler, I did a lot of research on the internet, weighed it up with other wagons and decided with its low maintenance, it's the way I wanted to go. So I had a other type of Feedout Wagon which I outgrew and eventually was costing me too much money to run. So then I went towards the Hustler because of its low maintenance, and it was the best decision I've made. So one of the main features of my wagon is the scales, which is connected to my phone through an app, and I find it very easy to use. Feed out exactly how much I want to feed to the cows because staff members don't overfill the wagon, and that's become quite a big savings. And also checking the load weights is easy to use, and split a load, and you just don't overload it, saves a bit on feed. The build of the Combi is outstanding. I can feed out over fences, and I can feed into bins. I can feed out any product that I throw at it. I've had the Hustler bale feeder for good on 10 years and I've never had any problems with it. Don't expect any problems with my Combi. I highly recommend it to anybody.